So I will start from this problem. Here we are getting two sources. One is voltage source, one is current source. We remember that according to superposition theorem, if you take the voltage source, then you need to replace the current source by open circuit. And if you take the current source, then you need to replace the voltage source by short circuit. So let us see what is our target in this problem. Our target is to find out the current through R2. This is R2. We want to find out current over here. This problem is much easier as compared to previous problem. So let us see how we can solve it. So before going onward, I will just tell you that first we will take the voltage source and we will replace the current source by open circuit. So that would be just a series circuit there. And next step, what we will take the current source and we will make this short circuit. If it is short circuit, then this resistor will come in parallel to this. So come to first step. In first step, we take the voltage source and next source is current source. We replaced it by open circuit. So open circuit that means that the current is not flowing over here. So where the current is flowing in series over here. And here is our target. So very simple. Just use the Ohm's law and you can find out current. The total current would be flowing from this resistance. You do not need to divide it. But before finding current, you need to find the total resistance. So these two resistors are in series. So just add those two resistors, you will get the total resistance. So the total resistance is 12 ohm plus 6 ohm is equal to 18 ohm. 18 ohm is our total resistance. And how to find current? I is equal to V divided by R. So V is 36 volt over here and R is total resistance. Because this is in series the current is same in both of the resistance. So we need to put the total resistance. So according to Ohm's law, I dash is equal to E divided by RT. So the E is what? E is 36 and RT is 12 plus 6, that is 18. So 36 divided by 18 is equal to 2 ampere. So very easy, we calculated the current over here using this supply, which is 12 ampere. And see the direction of the current, conventional current direction is downward in this component. So now take the next source and replace the previous source. So this source would be replaced by short circuit. And now we will place this source by its own original place. So if you do like this, then these two resistors would be in parallel to each other because this resistor is connected here. This is short circuit. So now these two are in parallel to each other. But very easy thing is that the current we already know. We do not need to calculate the total current because this is current source and 9 ampere current is going over here. But we need to divide the current in between them. So this way we want to find out current, and current divider rules tells us that R opposite divided by R opposite plus R same multiply by total current. So the same thing we can do over here. That is I double dash is equal to R opposite, which is the 12 ohm resistance, divided by R opposite plus R same. This is R opposite, this is R same. We are going to add this in the denominator and then multiply this by the total current. So this is our current divider rule, which we already studied. So if you use the current divider rule, we get the 6 ampere current over here. But this time, what you see, the current is going over here, that is downward. In previous step, it was downward, and in this step, it is downward. It means in both steps, the current direction is same. If the current direction is same, then according to the theorem, we will take the algebraic sum, and in algebraic sum, there would be no minus sign because both are in same direction. So here, I dash plus I double dash is equal to 2 ampere plus 6 ampere, that is 8 ampere. 2 ampere is I dash and 6 ampere is I double dash. So this problem was very easy and you get it. Now house is open, you can ask question if you have question. If you don't have any question, then anybody reply me that this is clear or not. You can speak. एनीबॉडी?
नहीं सर।
जी क्लियर है या नहीं है?
सर क्लियर है।
क्लियर है। ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम।
जी सर।
एक्सक्यूज मी
जी एनी अदर?
सर, अगर दो सोर्स से ज्यादा
जी उसकी तरफ मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ।
क्या करेंगे?
जी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में 2 से ज्यादा सोर्सेज आपको नजर आएंगे, वो अभी मैं सॉल्व कर लूंगा। सो थैंक यू।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू।
फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम। So this is our slide number 5. Go to slide number 6.